Hey, Sarah, are you coming to the concert tonight? Everyone is excited.
I wish I could, but I have a huge quiz on Monday morning. I really need to stay home.
Come on, it's Friday night. You can study tomorrow and Sunday.
No, I can't. This quiz is on everything we learned, and I'm behind. I need to hit the books.
You always hit the books. You need to hit the dance floor for once.
If I fail this quiz, my parents will be so angry. So I'll be hitting the books all weekend.
That sounds boring. I can bring you some fries later if you want.
That would be nice, but please don't distract me. I need to focus when I hit the books.
Okay, nerd, I'll leave you to it. Good luck hitting the books.
Thanks. Have fun at the concert for me. Don't sing too loud.
I'll sing extra loud for you. Bye-bye. Now, where was I? Page 1. I can't do it. My arms are jelly. I need to stop.
No, you don't. You're almost done, Tom. Hang in there.
Everything hurts. Why did I sign up for this class? I want to go home.
You signed up to get fit. Don't quit now. Just hang in there a little longer.
Look at that old man lifting more than me. I'm hopeless.
He's a trainer. Focus on yourself. Hang in there and keep going.
I think I'm going to pass out. Is that normal?
Yes, very normal. Just drink water and hang in there.
You are a tough friend, but okay, I will finish this.
That's the spirit. Only one set left. Hang in there.
Smoothie waiting for me.
Yes, big smoothie and a cookie.
Okay, I'm lifting. Hang in there, arms.
Tom, I need 2 salads and soup, 3 fries, and a salad now.
Already done, chef. Steaks are resting. Salads are dressed. Soup is plated.
Wow, you are quick today. Did you remember the vegan order?
Yes, table 5, no bread, extra veggies. It's already served.
Amazing. You are really on the ball tonight. What's your secret?
I had 3 cups of tea. I feel like I can run forever.
Well, keep it up. Being on the ball is what I like to see.
Wait, table 7 wants to change their order. Pasta instead of pizza.
Can you handle it? It takes 10 minutes.
I already switched it. I'm on the ball, chef. I saw it coming.
You are making my job easy. Good job. Keep moving.
Yes, chef. On the ball.
How did your speech go, Tom? Did you win the prize?
It was a disaster. The whole thing went down in flames.
Oh no, what happened? Did you forget your lines?
Worse, my notes fell and then I sneezed on the judge.
Ouch, that really is going down in flames. Did he get mad?
He looked shocked. Everyone was laughing.
That sounds terrible.
Yes, then I called him the wrong name. My speech went down in flames today.
Maybe you can send him an apology and a card.
I think it's better if I hide forever.
Probably true. Do you want some chocolate? It helps.
Yes, a sad chocolate bar.
Tom, what happened to your leg? You broke it?
Yeah, I fell down the stairs last week. It hurt a lot.
That's terrible. You must be miserable stuck at home.
Actually, it was a blessing in disguise. I'm having fun.
How can breaking a leg be a blessing? You can't walk.
Well, because I was in the hospital, I met a beautiful nurse.
Really? Did you get her number?
Yes, we have a date tomorrow, so losing my leg was good luck.
That is definitely a blessing in disguise, but don't break the other one.
I won't. Plus, I get to skip work for 2 weeks. My boss is crying.
Okay, now I'm jealous of your broken leg. Want me to push you down the stairs? Just kidding.
I'm so tired. I was going to clean today.
And did you?
Well, I ended up watching TV all day. There was a good movie on.
All day? I can see that. The pizza boxes are everywhere.
Not all day, just most of it. I couldn't stop watching.
What about the dishes? You always say you'll do them tomorrow.
I know. I'm sorry.
This always happens. You plan to clean, then you end up on the couch.
This time I mean it. I promise I'll be different.
Sure, we'll see about that. You say that every weekend.
Maybe we watch the next movie together.
Nice try. Let's clean first, then maybe a movie.
Deal. You're the best.
Flattery won't work. Get the broom.
You won't believe what happened. The client loved the new design.
Wait, the simple one? The one you didn't want?
Yes, the one you suggested. I should have listened to you.
I told you so. Simple is always better.
The boss was so happy. I was so nervous about it.
You worried for nothing. I knew it would work.
Okay, you were right all along.
I love hearing that. Say it again.
Don't push it. But really, thanks for the advice.
You're welcome. Just remember for next time.
Next time, I'll listen to you first.
Good. I told you so. Now, let's celebrate.
Coffee is on me.
That's more like it.
I'm so sorry I'm late. Traffic was terrible today.
Finally, you showed up. I've been waiting 30 minutes.
I know, I'm really sorry. Please don't be mad at me.
I'm not mad, just hungry. I almost ordered without you.
Let me buy you coffee and a muffin, whatever you want.
Deal. But you always show up late. It's becoming a habit.
I know, I really need to fix that. I have 3 alarm clocks.
Then you need 4, or just leave earlier.
You're right. I'll try harder next time.
I've heard that before, but fine. I forgive you.
Thanks. You're a great friend.
I know. Just don't make me wait again.
I promise. Now let's order.
Finally, I'm starving.
Oh my gosh, Sarah, is that really you?
Tom, I can't believe it. Long time no see.
How long has it been? 4, 5 years?
5 years. You look exactly the same.
You're too kind. You look amazing. What brings you here?
I just moved back to town last month.
That's great news. We should catch up soon.
I'd love that. I missed everyone here.
How about coffee next week? Long time no see, but we can change that.
That sounds perfect, just like old times. I'll text you the details. Same number?
Same number. Let's not wait another 5 years.
Agreed. It's so good to see you.
You too. This made my day. Ah, wow. Check this out. It's the new mystery novel.
The one you mentioned last week? Let me see.
Yes, I've been waiting months for this. The reviews are amazing.
It looks interesting. Are you going to buy it?
Definitely. One more book won't hurt. This one is special.
That's what you always say. You have a whole shelf of unread books.
I'll did this one first, I promise.
Sure you will. Fine, let's check out then.
Wait, I want to look around more. Just 5 more minutes.
You said that an hour ago. Come on, let's go.
Okay, I'm ready now. Let's go pay.
Finally, I thought we'd never leave.
Thanks for being patient.
That's what friends are for. But next time, faster.
Deal. Hey, where are you? The movie starts in 20 minutes.
Sorry, I'm on my way right now. Traffic is really bad today.
You said that 15 minutes ago. Should I buy the tickets first?
Yes, please get me popcorn too. The big one, of course.
And a drink?
Okay, I'll get everything ready.
Yes, please. I'm so thirsty. You're the best.
Just hurry up. We'll miss the previews.
I'm on my way, I promise. I can see the theater now.
Good. I'll save you a seat. Middle row.
Perfect. The best view. I'm parking now.
Great. See you inside then.
I'm running in now. 2 minutes.
I got popcorn. Hurry.
I see you. I'm here. We have too much stuff. We need to get rid of some things.
Finally, you agree. I've been telling you that for months.
I know, but where do we start? There's so much here.
How about these old boxes? Do you even know what's inside?
Wait, those might be important. Let me check first.
You always say that. Then nothing gets thrown out.
Okay, fine. I'll be brave. Let's get rid of them.
Good. What about this broken lamp? You said you'd fix it.
That was 3 years ago. Okay, get rid of it too.
Now we're making progress. The garage will look so nice.
This is harder than I thought.
Just throw away what you don't need. Simple.
You're right. Let's keep going.
That's the spirit. By tonight, we'll have so much space.
How's the project going? I'm really curious about the progress.
It's almost done. Maybe tomorrow morning I can show you.
That's great news. Perfect. Keep me posted on everything.
Of course. I'll email you updates. Just a few more details left.
Any problems so far? The client is getting very excited.
Nothing major. Everything is on track.
That's good to hear. Your work is always solid.
Thanks, that means a lot. I'll keep you posted if anything changes.
Sounds perfect. Let me know if you need any help.
I will, but I think it's all good.
Great. The meeting is Friday. Be ready.
I'll be ready, don't worry. Talk to you tomorrow.
Looking forward to seeing the final result.
You won't be disappointed.
Oh no, this can't be happening. My car just broke down.
Excuse me, do you need help? I saw the smoke from my car.
Yes, please. I have no idea what's wrong, and my phone is dead.
That's terrible luck. You can use my phone. Here you go.
Thank you so much. You're very kind. This is the worst timing.
I understand. Were you going somewhere important?
A job interview in 30 minutes. I can't believe this.
Oh no. Call them and explain. Cars break down all the time.
You're right. Hopefully they'll understand.
I'm sure they will. Things happen. Don't worry too much.
I really appreciate your help today.
No problem at all. Good luck with your interview.
Thanks again. You saved my day.
Happy to help. I hope you get the job.
I'm too tired to cook tonight.
Me too. It was a long day.
Let's just order a big pizza.
That sounds like a plan. I love pizza.
Pepperoni and extra cheese.
Yes, and maybe some wings too.
Perfect. You read my mind.
Deal. Action movie or comedy?
Let's watch that new comedy.
Pizza, wings, and a comedy.
Best Friday night ever.
Agreed. Simple is best.
So, dinner in 30 minutes.
Sounds like the plan. I'm calling now.
The doctor said everything is fine, just a common cold.
Oh, that's such a relief. I was so worried about you.
Me too. I thought it might be something serious.
You had a fever for 3 days. Anyone would be worried.
I know. Thank goodness it's nothing major.
That's a relief. I barely slept last night thinking about it.
I'm sorry I made you worry. Let's go home now.
Yes, you need rest. The doctor said so.
Good idea. I just need some soup and sleep.
I'll make your favorite chicken noodle soup.
Perfect. Thanks for taking care of me.
Of course, that's what I'm here for. I feel better already knowing it's just a cold.
Me too. That's really a relief.
We need a new idea for this project. The deadline is tomorrow.
I know, I've been thinking all morning. This is stressful.
Did you come up with anything? We really need something good.
Actually, yes. What about making a video instead of slides?
That's brilliant. Why didn't I think of that?
I came up with it during lunch. Sometimes breaks help clear your mind.
You're a genius. Let's start working on it now.
I'll write the script, you handle the visuals.
Perfect. We make such a great team together.
We always come up with something good when we work together.
That's true. Thanks for saving the day.
No problem. Now let's get to work on it. This is going to be great.
The client will love it.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. I spilled coffee on your book.
No worries. It's just an old paperback. Accidents happen.
Really? It looked expensive. Let me buy you a new one.
Seriously, no worries. I've already read it 3 times.
Are you sure? I feel so bad about this. I'm so clumsy.
I'm totally sure it's no big deal at all.
You're so understanding. Thanks for not being mad.
No worries. That's what friends are for, right?
Still, I'll be more careful next time, I promise.
Good idea.